Hey, Chris Frazier here with Honest Abe Roofing, your Mr. Clean roofing advisor, here to clean up all your roofing problems. Here we have a roof in Terre Haute, Indiana, where we are going to be looking to replace it. It's about 15 years old, and so I'm going to show you some of the problems and see if we can't get that cleaned up for her. Okay, as you can see, we have a weathered roof here. Looks like we are going to need some good venting on here. We're missing some shingles. And right here we have a flat roof. We'll put a flint elastic on there that'll last. We have a chimney up there that we're going to have to flash and get some of that debris off of there. And we'll get this roof all cleaned up for her. So here we have a chimney that's no longer in use that we'll probably end up demoing that and getting rid of that and taking that below the roof line and saving one of the problems that could be a possible leak here in the future. As you can see, we got some debris on top of the house. We'll get all that cleaned up for her. And looks like we're going to need to do a little soffit work. Getting some ventilation up there so that, and as you can see, we're going to need to do some decking work here on the flat part. So we are going to get her taken care of. Hey, thanks for watching my video. This is your Mr. Clean roofing advisor, here to clean up all the problems. Hopefully I could show you a few issues with this problem. Give me a call at the number below and we'll get you cleaned up too. Talk to y'all later.